This is Caravan Salon in Dusseldorf. This is the hobby stand. This is their Optima Deluxe T75HF motorhome, and looking at it from here we can see it's got GFK on the underfloor and on the roof. We'll have a look at some of the other features. XPS insulation, cost just under 76,000 euros, and details 761 long, 233 wide and 285 centimeters high. So go inside, and it's going to have a side bed, as you could possibly tell from the shape of the garage. Now, at a certain age, I think a side bed is useful, but the problem is it takes space away from the garage. Now, a layout like this, I believe, above all, is good maybe for older people who may have difficulties getting in and out of bed. I mean, it's difficulties, I'm probably going over the top a bit there, but I'm sure you understand what I'm trying to say. A rather elegant layout with this glass decoration at the back, and inside here got the shower. No need for a duckboard because it's at the very end of the system, so you won't be trailing stuff in and out. There's the glass on the other side. There's your cabinets inside here. Some more storage down there. Toilets. I like this. This is the best bathroom I've seen in a vehicle of this class, I think. You might think it's very practical because obviously there is the price. The price is a no garage, and it depends what you want, obviously, like everything. But that's really fantastic, I think. And the way, because of the position of the bed, you get into the bathroom easily. You've got space around here. In here you've got your wardrobe. Stick the light on. Fuse boxes down there. Everybody hides the fuse box. I didn't have my fuse boxes on display over the door. You've got a bit of preparation space to use your 3-ring burner. You've got your sink. You've got this storage, and that will go back. No, it doesn't go back, sorry. Thought it would go back further. You've got up here tambour, this, okay. Now, what's not obvious as you walk in, well, obviously I read the sign outside, but so I knew it was here. But you've got the bed, and you can't really see the bed up there. And look at the floor as well. Well, it's not entirely flat because there's that step up to the driver's position. But as you walk down here, you can't really. Sorry, my height. There's plenty of space above my head, so it's about 182. Even when I stand up on here, okay, I'm now touching it, but so coming into the driver's position, if you're under 175, then you're going to have no problems at all with that. There'll be plenty of light coming in through there. We're indoors, so that makes a bit of a difference. How often do you drive your car indoors? So it'll be better outside. Look down the van. Now personally I think that this bench is a bit surplus to requirements. Perhaps some other storage or something like that would do that. Depends what you want, of course. Leaving it like that, of course, does allow the light. Now, it's not so good for carrying lots of things with you. So you're not going to carry a kayak or bicycles unless you put them on the bike or something, or something like that. But as a little apartment, I think this works very well. It's, of course, horses for courses. It's what you want, and it depends on what your requirements are. Everybody's requirements are different, and I know many people don't even know what their requirements are until they buy something and then they find out they've got the wrong thing. My role is to point things out and to suggest what may or may not be right or wrong for you, based on my experience living in vans, which is now 8 years. 8? I've lied, 7, sorry. Will be 8 years next year. 7.5. Okay, so you can stick your you could stick a bike rack on there, should you so desire. That's your toilet cassette. The gas goes in there. Now earlier I said that, oh, perhaps this goes further back. Well, it doesn't, because the gas goes in that position. Like to cook up diesel. I quite like that van. I like it a lot. It's not suitable for me because I'm a cyclist, I need a bike, and I've got plenty of junk in the back of my van. But particularly for those that don't need a bike and whose stuff will all fit in there, well, this could be a good van for you. Actually, look at that, you can go back further. So you'll be able to access that from inside as well, as you can possibly tell. The bed comes up and you can get into the garage like that. What about a folding bike? Okay, maybe that'll work. Okay, so if you're interested, you can see lots of other great vans from Hobby and other companies here, from here at Caravan Salon, and other fairs. I do lots. I go to Stuttgart, I go to Italy, I go to a fair in Poland, I've been to Birmingham in the UK, I planned on going to Paris several times, I haven't got there. So I'm filming stuff all over the place, as well as being on the road myself. So if you're interested in van life, please have a look.